excited हूँ क्योंकि बहुत अच्छा cause है. Whatever they're doing it should be commended, and I think it should get as much press coverage as possible ताकि सब लोग को पता चलेगा. I think that with things with NGOs like Betty and causes like Betty, people are now becoming aware of how important girls are in the society, what role they play in the economy, in the society, both politically and financially. When women go to school and they are educated, then they go to work. When they work, they provide, they provide some sort of advantage in the economy, and in turn, we benefit from that as an economy, as a nation. I think we can't just focus on men. There's 1 billion people in India, and I feel like if everybody's educated and pushed to be educated and pushed to work, then the economy will grow. We can come from a third nation into a first nation, hopefully, and then we won't have to rely on international friends like America and Europe and stuff. We can do our own thing. I say we because I've accepted India as my own home, so I really feel very strongly about these kind of things, and hopefully with education and with opportunities, women will be able to take control of their own life. They can be more independent, and men will, be a little bit scared of us. So, yeah. Yes, Ganesh has beautiful jewelry, and I'm wearing a turban, which is very heavy, but I think it's gorgeous. I'm wearing Nitesh, but it's very beautiful. And I love Indian wear. मुझे Indian wear बहुत पसंद है. मैं हमेशा Indian wear पहनती हूँ. And so I got very happy when he gave me lehenga. So hopefully, hopefully it goes well. It's not an item song, it's a promotional song. It's released yesterday, so I'm getting good response. Of course, Bombay Rockers, everybody loves their song, Teri To Terita, which was an old school song back in 2003. It's coming back. It's almost the same. It's not really big difference except for we did a video, and the video theme is twerking, and we want everyone to start twerking in parties, and every club they go, shake it, shake it, shake it. And yeah, so I hope you liked it, and hopefully soon my film will also release, which I'm starring in opposite Sanjay Suri, called My Birthday Song. So hopefully you guys will see that this year in 2016. बस बाकी सब बाकी में बता सकते हो.